What's up guys, JosephRayLIVE here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and in today's video we're going to be spicing things up a little bit. Haven't made a video in a week, and today this is going to be entertainment purposes only, okay? Just entertainment I really don't care about saying that. But anyways, today I'm gonna be showing y'all guys how to like make your number private and stuff. Like if me prank calling my friends and stuff. They don't know it's me at all. So that's how I did it. So let me just hold on. Alright. So go onto your phone, go to contacts, then just hit dial button. And then to do this, you have to put *67, and then just put in the number. Like if I want to say like 5001234, like that. Don't put the area code, just put *67 and then the number. That's pretty much it. Because I'm not gonna call because I don't know who's gonna pick up for that one. Or this one either. *67. Like *67 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to spice things up, and that's pretty much it. So see you guys in the next video. Hold on. God, drop that. See you guys in the next video. Whenever I make that happen. Well, I'm tired. So anyways, see you guys.